breakers, they don't bother us at all. We don't care what the weather's like, if it's winter, spring, or fall.
Welcome everyone. We got a box here from our friend Tom Joyner. Thank you, Tom. I appreciate it, buddy. This is going to be awesome. I also want to talk about this stump here. I told Johnny Arnett that I was going to be up here splitting wood, and then this is an added bonus to that situation. So I sent Johnny a message, and he sent me a message back. I sent him a video and told him that I was up here at the. This stump. I know this is all over, but this stump here is Johnny Arnett's first Douglas fir that he ever fell, and he fell it with the 500i, and I pounded wedges for him, and we tag teamed it, and I think we made a pretty good team at it. I told him I was up here at the old stump. And this is a message that Johnny sent back to me. All right? It says, that stump is not just any stump. That stump was once a mighty fir. It started as a sapling many years ago and grew all this time in hopes that two old souls would come together under unbelievable circumstances. Our lives we lived and the paths we walked eventually crossed and came together as a team at that stump. People will say it's just a stump. Maybe, but two old souls, it will be forever remembered as a place that two brothers worked together and grew together. I love you, brother. Pals. That's, as you can see, that's pretty touching to me. And I just wanted to share that with you, because it's not... To Johnny and I and anybody else that was involved in it and that knows how things roll around here, it's not just any old stump, right? So I thought it'd be fitting today to bring this unboxing from our other brother, from another one of our brothers, from Tom Joyner, and open it up on this old stump. So, I hope you enjoy. I think we all probably know what's in this box. There's axes in it, and we've got wood to split. So, we're going to get it open, and we're going to start swinging them. Let's check them out. All right, here we go. Let's get in this box. I'm going to try to get in it. Tom has them numbered. Okay, luckily, here. This is number 1. Look at that. That's a dandy little splitter right there. Dandy splitter. Live something. That's probably 3.5 pounds. Oh, look at the palm swell on that dandy. Okay. I hope you can see these, what I got going on. Look at the bit on that. Like a 26 or 28 inch straight stick. Oh yeah, that's a banger. Oh, that would make an awesome wedge banger. Gorgeous handle, Tom. Straight stick, great palm swell. Oh yeah, we could hammer wedges with that beauty. Chop bark, chop trees. That's chopper. It'll split this wood, but that's mainly a chopper. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a band. In this wood, this is the Jersey. That is a beautiful axe. That's got to be 3.5, if not 4 pound. It's got to be 4 pounds. Straight stick. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yep. Split. Right? Oh yeah. Another great all-arounder right there. It for fur. If you're splitting fur, what's wrong with that? It's beautiful. Well, I'm out of wood. Let's just chop this one, huh? That we're beating on a knot too. That'll get the blood pumping. And I broke it. That'll get the blood pumping. Let's see if this one will split. This is a heavy little head. I wonder what that says. It's all in Tom's directions of what they are. But that's a nice handle. Really nice handle, really nice head, really nice hang. Oh yeah. It's another fur splitter. Oh. It's a dandy. Beautiful axis, Tom. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling from this old stump. Thank you, Johnny Arnett. Thank you, Tom Joyner. I appreciate you, buddies. Love you.